Hey everybody, this is Ejijo and welcome to another video in my series on for loops. And in this example we will be writing a program to read a number from the user and then print a right angle using asterisks or stars. So basically what we want to do is read a number and then print out a triangle that is sort of like that, where this is the right triangle. Yeah, something like that is what we want to print out. So that's what we want to attempt to do. So we're going to use a for loop, obviously, because we're doing for loops, but it does ask us to read a number from the user. So I will first read a number from the user, and I will say num equals, do we use an int? Do we need an int? Yeah, we're putting an int because it's multiplication. So remember, you need two closing brackets when you an opening bracket. So what number shall we root? The number is going to be the amount of rows that we're going to print. So let's say, for example, how many rows do you need? So we're asking the user how many rows do they need, and then we're going to print a star or asterisk equal to every single row that they need. Right, so we need a for loop for I in range num. So this is not, you haven't seen this before yet, so let me quickly explain. Oh my days, oh my days. Right, so you haven't seen this before yet, so let me quickly explain. So we're asking the user how many rows they need. For every row we're going to print an asterisk to the value of whatever I is. We're going to start at 1 over here. So we're going to start at 1, and we're going to continue until we get to whatever number is that they put in there. So if they say 10, it's going to go 1 to 10. Probably will stop at 9, but we'll see. If it does, we'll just add a +1 over here. But you can substitute this value with the value that the user is giving. And then we can say print, and we can say, we'll just do a simple, just printing the asterisks, so we're just going to say I times and then star, like that. That should be fine. Right, so let's say F5 enter, and let's just test it quickly. How many rows? So let's say 10, and when you print it, there we got our triangle, but let's count the rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, just like I thought. So we just need to say num plus 1. Num plus 1. Let's put that closer together. Plus 1. So F5 enter. I'll just say 5 this time. Whoops, that's not a 5, that's a 5. And then you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now it's got the right one. So this is a neat little program where you can then print a right-angled triangle by just printing, let's say 25, nice and big one, that you can do in terms of all of this. And you can print all sorts of patterns using multiple combinations of this. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in a future video. Goodbye.